Welcome back to the channel. Today we bring you the latest update from the Spotify Camp Nou, where the iconic home of FC Barcelona keeps transforming day by day. And now, a big milestone. The first ceramic louvers have been installed, marking a new step in the rebirth of this legendary stadium. Across the entire lateral section, construction is in full swing. Steel reinforcement is nearly complete, and new formwork panels are being placed to prepare for the next concrete pour. Cranes move non-stop, trucks deliver materials, and safety teams supervise every corner of the site. Everything is running with precision, and without any major incidents so far. At the top of the lateral roof, two white ceramic panels have appeared. The first pieces of the stadium's iconic facade. They might be test units, but their presence means one thing. The long-awaited cladding phase has officially begun. Soon, hundreds of these elegant panels will wrap the entire structure, giving Camp Nou its modern, futuristic look. Meanwhile, rebar and formwork continue to expand throughout the stand. Beams, slabs, and supporting columns are all taking shape, step by step. In the underground parking area, progress has been just as fast. The upper level has already been concreted, only one day after the reinforcement phase. Supports and structural pillars are now being completed, setting the foundation for the next floors above. At this rate, the entire parking structure could be finished within days. Not far from Masia, cranes continue lifting new segments of the compression ring, a key part of the future roof that will later support lighting and solar panels. Excavation crews have also returned to nearby areas, clearing access zones and preparing for new material deliveries. Every week, the new Camp Nou grows higher, stronger, and more defined. The pace is extraordinary. Beam by beam, level by level, Barcelona's home is taking shape again. Soon, fans will walk through these modern corridors, beneath the massive new roof, and experience the rebirth of one of football's greatest temples. If you're enjoying this transformation journey, don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow the channel for more updates straight from the heart of the Camp Nou rebuild. The future of FC Barcelona is rising, right before our eyes.